So I picked up the Actobotics Junior Robot Kit, primarily because I wanted a reason to program again. The kit comes with 4 motors, 4 wheels, 2 side pieces, top and a bottom, 2 microcontrol holders, 1 middle support, 8 screws and 8 machine nuts. Now we're going to put it together here. This is all you get with the kit. I do have the microcontrollers for it and a motor shield, and I'll put that on as well. But this is what you get. It costs about $30, including shipping. It's supposed to be real easy to put together, and we're going to find out. We're going to put the motor on. The easiest way to do that is to slide your wires through one of the square holes. The motor. And they need to go to they should go to the inside of the bot. Put your motor sitting out, grab one of your machine screws, slide it through the motor holes and, well, through the plastic piece like so. Add one little nut. Just keep them loose in the beginning so you have so you can wiggle them around if you need to get them lined up better. Now I'm actually really surprised as to how smooth this seems to be going together. We will find out in a bit. And then I'm just going to go finger tight on these. I don't want to crush the plastic on this. So I'm going to hold the nut, and if I can't hold it any tighter, that's fine. The other side I'm not too worried about is it's not like this thing's going to be going off-road or doing So now you have your 2 side pieces. What you want to do is take one of the plates, top or bottom, really doesn't matter, the motor's face out, and line them up. As you can see, it has a number of holes through it, and I'm pretty sure you can probably see that. You're just going to line them up on the outside, slide your clips through, and pop it down on it. Now, this is the bottom piece, just so you know. It's got the battery holder for it. The kit actually has other pieces to it, so you can actually buy accessories. And you're just going to pop it in. One of the accessories that I think I'll be adding will be the claw function, the claw accessory. And as you can see, we're just popping them all in. Pull that away, and now you have your little vertical support here. Because I know I'll be using a servo in the front, I'm going to put this up front for added support instead of in the rear. The other side is the servo comes down here, and I want to make sure I have room to put the battery in when I choose to use it. Now, I'm sure fishing the wires through will not be a big deal, but as with all thought, think ahead. And since I'm just going to fish them up through the top anyway while I'm sitting here with the plate off, just to save the headache later. Never mind, it'll probably all have to be redone in doing this. Take advantage of the time, and it doesn't really matter that much. To be blunt with you, think I could probably fish these wires through in as much time as it took me to do it while I was assembling it. Okay, make sure your wires are clear. Once again, line up your slots on top of these things, and I think you just have to roll it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this side by side. I'm going to work my way front to back, or back to front. I think it's probably the easiest way to do it. That goes down, and then roll this in like that, and so forth, all the way through. Make sure all my wires are nice and clear. Alright, now I can Alright, so it doesn't look like this piece is popped all the way down. Alright, so what has happened is I have some wires stuck. You probably can't see them, but there's some, there they go. I got some wires stuck between the deck and stuff, so if you thread them through early, be sure they don't get caught. There. Next thing is you put your wheels on, and they have some flats on the wheels and flats on the motor shafts. You just line them up and they fit on with friction. And you just line them up again and fit them on with friction yet again. Now I'll do a series of videos with these as my anticipation, in which I slowly build this into some sort of robot using Arduino. Sensors, claws, that sort of thing. With that done, I need to put my microcontroller mounts in, and this all just pops together. So it really only took a Phillips screwdriver to make this work. And this is what it would look like if you stopped at the point where you used all the pieces in this kit would come from. So, but I do have my generic Arduino Uno and a generic motor shield that's compatible. So I'm going to put these together, if I can figure out what the right order of pins is supposed to be. And I think I am, oh, nope. Goes like this. Line them up. Lower them down. Sometimes you can't go, you don't want the metal pieces contacting metal pieces. You don't want it to short out if you can avoid it. But yeah, it's all clear. And we're just going to clip it in here. And slide it in so it's nice and so it's clips. And now it's all set. This is it. It's all assembled for now. Next video we'll hook the motors up and we'll get that all working so we can drive, so it'll power itself around. I hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, click like. If you dislike, click dislike. If you have a comment, leave it below.